In this video demonstration, we are going to show you how to replace the print head on the FARGO HDP5000 card printer. This procedure should only be performed by HID trained technicians. Print head kit part number 086091 should be used. The following items should be in the kit: print head replacement installation guide, printer cleaning pads, print head. Open the print head and make a note of the print head resistance. We will need this at the final stage. Unplug the power cord from the printer. Remove the screw at the base of the back cover assembly. Use a screwdriver to pry at the center tab slot to release the cover. Remove the one screw that holds the head lift motor. Remove the ground strap of the print head, which is secured with one screw. Unplug the print head cable from the main board. Remove the motor power connector. Hold the motor at the sides and pull the print head lift motor. Carefully lift out the complete print head assembly. When replacing the print head assembly, ensure that the print head surface does not get scratched by any other printer parts. Verify the mount pin is solidly fitted into the hole as shown. Note how the print platen roller slot would fit properly onto the roller bushing. Connect print head cable to the main board. Now connect print head ground cable. Fit print head lift motor. Connect motor power cable. Finally, close the back door and secure with the screw. Start. Click Device and Printers. Right-click HDP5000 card printer. Click Printing Preferences. Click Toolbox. Click Advanced Settings. Now scroll down to Print Head Resistance. Change the value to the one you noted down earlier. Click Apply and then click OK.